Hello everyone, my name is Joelle and I want to personally invite you to join me for my brand new enhanced 4-week yoga program for hip bursitis and hip pain. Many of you know that I suffered from chronic hip bursitis myself for years, and I want to share with you this step-by-step method that worked for me to finally get rid of my hip pain once and for all. Over 100,000 of you have already tried my hip bursitis stretching and strengthening practices on YouTube, and I've gone back and re-recorded all of them with enhanced audio, a lot less chit-chat, so that you can really focus on the practice and on your own body. This program also comes with a 4-week calendar that tells you exactly when to do which practice, and I've also included some exclusive bonuses in the program, like a brand new chair yoga practice for hip bursitis and hip pain, a video that lays out my top 3 stretches and exercises that you can do anytime and anywhere to manage painful flare-ups and prevent future pain, and a video of practical tips for daily life, how to manage pain when it strikes, sleep positions, and so on. So I hope you'll decide to do something for yourself and join me for this special 4-week program. You can find all the information and sign up by clicking the first link in the description box below this video. And I look forward to seeing you on the mat.